modern enterprises, data doesn't sit quietly in dashboards waiting to be reviewed. It moves, it flows, it signals change in real time. And depending on its state, historical, external, operational, real-time, or streaming, or simulated, data carries a different kind of predictive power. To understand how automated decision systems actually work, you first have to understand these 5 states of data. First, batch data. This is the organization's memory. It includes transaction histories, financial records, customer behavior, and operational KPIs collected over time. This is where predictive models learn patterns: customer churn, credit risk, demand seasonality, and long-term performance trends. Batch data answers one critical question: what has happened? But there's a limitation. It explains the past, not what's happening right now. No business operates alone. Third-party data providers bring in outside context: credit scores, market indices, fraud alerts, industry benchmarks, demographic trends. Internal data tells you how a customer behaves with you. Bureau data shows how they behave everywhere else. This helps organizations detect risks they can't see internally. Every customer interaction creates a signal: logins, payment timing changes, support calls, product usage, digital behavior. These are proprietary insights unique to the business. A sudden drop in engagement may predict churn. A subtle payment delay may signal financial stress. Internal operational data often reveals change before revenue or risk metrics ever do. This is where competitive differentiation begins. Next is streaming data, which is generated in real time to reflect what is happening now. A card swipe, a website click, a sensor reading, a market movement. In milliseconds, automated systems evaluate these events to approve transactions, detect fraud, adjust pricing, or prevent equipment failure. Historical data predicts probability. Streaming data detects intent in real time. This transforms businesses from reactive to proactive. Then comes synthetic data, artificially generated scenarios used to simulate events that may not yet exist. Organizations use it to stress test economic downturns, model fraud patterns, simulate supply chain disruptions, and prepare for rare events. Synthetic data asks a different question: what could happen next? The real power doesn't come from one type of data alone. It comes from orchestrating all 5 together: historical patterns, external context, operational behavior, live signals, and simulated futures. Together they form an enterprise nervous system, sensing, predicting, learning, and acting continuously. Organizations that master this orchestration don't just analyze the past, they operationalize intelligence. And in a volatile world, that becomes a true competitive advantage. The future of business isn't driven by data alone, it's driven by understanding the state the data is in and turning that insight into action. This is decision intelligence. Join our community. Visit community.decidewise.net to join the conversation.